We are looking at how to pronounce the last letter in the alphabet, both in British English and in American English, as its name is said differently in both pronunciations. In British English, the name of this letter is normally said as Z, as in Z-E-D, Z. In American English, however, it is normally called Z, as in Z-E-E, Z in American English versus Z in British English. Here are more videos on how to pronounce the names of more letters from the alphabet, as well as how to pronounce more words whose pronunciation vary between British English and American English. I'll see you there to learn more.